Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to turn off your DMs on Instagram. So let's start. First, open the Instagram app. Go to your profile from bottom right corner. Now tap on the three bars on top right corner and go to settings. Now tap on notifications. Here you will see direct messages. Tap on that. Now you'll see that your messages are turned on. That means people can message you easily. If you turn that off, no one can message you on Instagram. Here you have other actions regarding messages like message request, group request, and others. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.